The Ring Video Doorbell 4 is a state-of-the-art smart doorbell that enhances home security and convenience. It is the latest iteration in Ring's popular line of video doorbells and comes with several improvements over its predecessors, making it a compelling choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their front door security. One of the standout features of the Ring Video Doorbell 4 is its 1080p HD video resolution, which provides clear and detailed video footage. This high-definition video allows you to see who is at your door with great clarity, whether it's day or night, thanks to its enhanced night vision capabilities. The doorbell's wide-angle lens also ensures you have a broad view of your doorstep, minimizing blind spots. The Ring Video Doorbell 4 is equipped with advanced motion detection technology, which includes customizable motion zones. This feature allows you to define specific areas to monitor for movement, reducing false alerts from irrelevant activities such as passing cars or pedestrians. When motion is detected within these zones, you receive instant notifications on your smartphone, allowing you to quickly check the live video feed. A significant upgrade in the Video Doorbell 4 is the introduction of pre-roll technology. This feature captures an additional 4 seconds of video before a motion event is triggered, providing valuable context for each alert. This means you can see what happened immediately before the motion was detected, giving you a more comprehensive view of any activity around your front door. Two-way audio is another key feature of the Ring Video Doorbell 4. This allows you to communicate with visitors or delivery personnel through the Ring app on your smartphone or other connected devices. The audio quality is clear, and the built-in noise cancellation helps to reduce background noise, ensuring effective communication. The Ring Video Doorbell 4 is designed for easy installation and flexibility. It can be powered either by a rechargeable battery or connected to existing doorbell wiring for continuous power. The battery option is particularly useful for renters or those who prefer not to deal with electrical wiring. The device also comes with interchangeable faceplates, allowing you to choose a color that best matches your home's exterior. Integration with the larger Ring ecosystem and other smart home platforms is another major advantage. The Ring Video Doorbell 4 can be connected to other Ring devices such as security cameras and smart lights, creating a comprehensive home security system. Additionally, it is compatible with Amazon Alexa, enabling voice commands and announcements on Echo devices when someone is at your door. Privacy and security are paramount with any smart home device, and Ring has incorporated several features to address these concerns. Privacy zones can also be configured to block out areas you do not want to be recorded, such as a neighbor's property.